Good morning, students. Page number 26. See here, question number 17. Describe with the help of a neat circuit diagram. How will you determine the internal resistance of a cell by using a potentiometer? Derive the necessary formula. See here, this is the diagram or figure for internal resistance of a cell. The experimental setup for this method is as shown in above figure 1. It consists of a potentiometer wire AB connected in series with a cell of EMF epsilon, key K1 and rheostat RH as shown in figure. Terminal capital A is at higher potential than terminal B. That is, this is terminal A or point A. This is terminal B or point B. A cell of EMF epsilon 1 whose internal resistance small r1 is to be determined is connected to the potentiometer wire through a galvanometer G and jockey J. Cl small resistance small r is internal resistance connected as shown in figure, that is through G to jockey. See here, page number 27. A resistance box capital R is connected across the cell epsilon 1 through key K2. Initially key K1 is closed and K2 is open. The circuit now consists of cell epsilon, cell epsilon 1 and potentiometer wire AB. The null point is then obtained. Let L1 is length of potentiometer wire between null point and point A. This length corresponds to EMF epsilon 1. Therefore, epsilon 1 is equal to K into L1, equation 1. Where K is equal to potential gradient of potentiometer wire is equal to constant. Now, both keys K1 and K2 are closed so that circuit consists of cell epsilon, cell epsilon 1, resistance box, galvanometer and jockey. Some resistance R1 is selected from resistance box and null point is obtained. Length of wire L2 between null point and point A is measured. This corresponds to voltage between null point and point A. Therefore, V is equal to K into L2, equation 2. Therefore, dividing equation 1 by equation 2, epsilon 1 divided by capital V is equal to K into L1 divided by K2, L2 is equal to L1 divided by L2, equation 3. Consider the loop PQSTP. Epsilon 1 is equal to I into R plus I into small r and capital V is equal to I into capital R. Therefore, epsilon 1 divided by V is equal to I into capital R plus I into small r divided by I into capital R. Therefore, capital R plus R divided by capital R is equal to L1 divided by L2. Therefore, small r is equal to capital R into bracket L1 divided by L2 minus 1, equation number 4. This equation 4 gives internal resistance of a cell.